Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your language skills with Open Culture easy tutorial step-by-step. First, navigate to the Open Culture website. Once on the home page, look for the language section featured prominently in the menu. Click on the section to explore the variety of resources available. You will find free language courses, audiobooks, and video lessons for multiple languages. Select the language you are interested in learning. After choosing a language, review the available resources. You may come across various tools like podcasts and downloadable lessons. Make a note of the learning styles that resonate with you. Create a consistent study schedule to integrate these resources into your daily routine. Start with short lessons to build a foundation before diving deeper. As you progress, incorporate diverse media, such as films and music, in that language. Practice daily speaking and listening to reinforce your skills. Join language exchange platforms or online communities for real-life practice. Consider using language learning apps recommended on Open Culture for gamified learning. Monitor your progress by revisiting earlier lessons periodically. Set achievable goals to keep your motivation high. Remember, consistency is key when developing language skills. With dedication and the right resources from Open Culture, you will see significant improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.